What if I told you that your part-time job flipping burgers isn't the only way to survive college? What if, by the time this video ends, you'd have 5 proven, student-friendly ways to make at least $100 a day without burning out, begging your parents, or selling your soul to TikTok? Because here's the truth. Student debt is rising, tuition is climbing, and most young people are drowning in financial anxiety before even stepping into their first full-time job. But you're not here to drown. You're here to take control. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and I'll give you 5 real-world strategies that students all over the world are using right now to earn, save, and stay ahead, even before they graduate. But make sure you stay till the end, because the last method isn't just easy, it's almost unfair. Also, no, you won't need to start a YouTube channel called How to Start a YouTube Channel. Let's go. First up, freelance tutoring. Yes, you can teach. No, you don't need a PhD, just be one step ahead of someone else. If you're good at math, science, Spanish, or even Minecraft Redstone logic, there's a middle schooler, high schooler, or even fellow college student praying for someone like you. Platforms like Wisent, Superprof, and even Craigslist can be your launchpad, or skip the middleman and promote via Instagram or school bulletin boards. Why it works. Flexible hours. You can charge $25 to $60 per hour, zero upfront investment. And let's be real. What's easier? Reviewing algebra you already know, or working 8 hours at a coffee shop where you're legally obligated to smile at people who haven't had coffee yet? Now, if you're thinking, but I'm not a teacher, don't worry. The next method doesn't require teaching, just clicking. Imagine this, companies paying you $10 to $30 for just 10 to 20 minutes of your opinion. Welcome to the world of user testing. Sites like User Testing, Try My UI, and Playtest Cloud pay students to review apps, games, and websites. You click around, talk about what you like and don't, and bam, money in your account. It's not glamorous, you're not changing the world, but if you've got Wi-Fi and a voice, you're qualified. Don't wait until your credit card declines mid-ramen purchase to look for money. This method can literally save your skin when you need cash, fast. Okay, let's level up. You've got a voice, you've got a brain, but what if you could use your creativity to get ahead? Ever created a study guide, a cool Notion template, or a design on Canva that made life easier? What if you could sell it to hundreds of other students? Welcome to digital products. Etsy, Gumroad, and PayHip let you sell templates, planners, flashcards, even memes. Yes, digital memes sell. What a time to be alive. Make it once, sell it forever. There's nothing like waking up to a notification that says, you made $17 in your sleep. Suddenly your dream of passive income isn't just a tweet, it's your Tuesday morning. And if you think that's too much work, just wait for method number 5. It's so low effort, it feels like cheating. But first, what if you're good with your hands? Or just have stuff lying around? This one's for the hustlers, the people who see a $5 calculator at Goodwill and think, I could sell this for $25. Flipping, buy low, sell high, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, your new playgrounds, Target clearance rack, that's inventory, garage sales, treasure hunts. Every time you walk past a $1 item you could flip for $20, you're saying no to free money. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need a business degree, you just need curiosity and a Venmo account. Okay, we've gone from tutoring to testing to templates and flipping, but what if you could do something so easy, so repeatable, that once you start, you never want to stop? Here it is, campus ambassador gigs, big brands like Red Bull, Amazon Prime Student, and Chegg pay students to be their voice on campus. Post on socials, hand out flyers, run events, and earn money doing it. Some pay in gift cards, some offer cash, bonuses, even internships. And if you refer friends to apps like Cash App, Robinhood, or Uber Eats, you can earn $10 to $30 per referral. It stacks. Fast. These spots go fast. There's usually only 1 or 2 per campus. So apply early, stand out, and don't sleep on it. PSA, if your friend isn't using your referral code, do they really even love you? But here's the kicker. You want to earn even more? Consistently? Long-term? You need to build high-income skills, copywriting, design, coding, digital marketing. That's where your real money power lies. And guess what? I've got just the video for you. Let's recap. Help someone study, share your opinion, sell what you have already made, flip what others throw out, represent a brand you already use, and you don't have to pick just one. You've got time, you've got talent. What you need now is action. But don't stop here. If you want to go from making money today to building skills that pay you for life, tap the video on screen now. High-paying skills for students in 2025. Your future self will thank you.